Multiply 936 by 30 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 6 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 28. The second partial product is 28,080. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the thousands column, bring down 8. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 28,080. So 936 times 30 is 28,080.